Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add dotted column border in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the dotted column border. At first, select your sheet. Now I am click and drag on our mouse to select the sheet and go to the home menu. Select the borders drop down menu. We can see here many border but not here the dotted border only on column. Now I am go to the more border option and go to the border section. We can see here the many line style. Now I am find and select the dot, then select the vertical line and click OK. Now we can see here we added the column border dotted easily. You want to make sure the border is added, go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see here the border. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.